Today we're testing if a simple paper strip can spin like a real helicopter near wrong, and the result will surprise you. Dear children, welcome to Little Genius Lab, where we explore science and nature and discover the signs of Allah's greatness. Today we will do a step-by-step paper spinner lift test. Stay till the end, the result is amazing. Step 1, take a rectangular piece of paper and cut it into a long strip. Step 2, cut the top half into 2 flaps. Fold one flap forward and the other flap backward. These become the wings of your spinner. Step 3, fold the bottom part upward to make a small weight. This helps the spinner fall smoothly. Step 4, hold the spinner high above your head. Make sure the wings are open and facing opposite directions. Step 5, release it gently. Watch how the spinner twirls, spins, and slowly falls to the ground. The air pushes against the wings, creating lift and rotation. Observation: when the wings are angled, air moves around them unevenly. This creates spinning motion and slows the fall. The same principle used in helicopters and wind turbines. Islamic reminder: Allah has created the air around us with perfect balance. It carries birds, moves clouds, and spreads seeds across the earth. Every movement in nature follows Allah's precise design. Wisdom: knowledge is a trust. Use it for good, never for harm. Science is full of surprises. Even the simplest things can teach us the greatest lessons. And remember, every small discovery brings us closer to understanding Allah's amazing creation. And remember, this is your Little Genius Lab. Like, subscribe, and share. Should we try a bigger spinner or a double wing version next? Tell us in the comments.